Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're already a subscriber here, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you are not yet subscribed and you are watching right now, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel and become part of the double A gang. I would really appreciate that. I post every week, usually on Wednesdays, and my content includes faith, lifestyle, and beauty. So if you're interested in all of that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look. It's a sunset type of vibe, and I'm also gonna be announcing my first ever giveaway. So if you want to know how to qualify for the giveaway, then please keep on watching, and let's get straight into the video without wasting any more of your time. Jou. So guys, this is how the final look came out. As you can see, I love it. Like, I really love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned one thing or two. If you do recreate this look, please make sure you tag me on Instagram and Facebook. You know, I'd love to see your pictures and videos. Videos. And then for the giveaway, I am gonna be giving away this wig that I'm wearing. I've only worn this wig once or twice, and I didn't know how to do it to show you guys the wig, so I thought I should just wear it so that you can see how the hair looks. I hope I'm right. So this is 14-inch Peruvian hair, and I'm gonna be giving this away. And don't worry, I'm gonna wash it, okay? Because I shamba it clean. So to qualify for the giveaway, you have to follow me on Instagram and be subscribed to my channel, obviously, and tag 3 friends on my Instagram post that I'm gonna put up either today or tomorrow. So just look out for a picture where I'm wearing this hair, then a face beat. Just follow me on Instagram, all the details will be there. And yeah, I am so excited, guys. This is just a way to thank you for for the support that you've been showing me, guys. I really appreciate you so much. Like, you don't understand. Dianitanda. And yeah, that's all for today, and I am gonna see you guys on my next video. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you so much. Be blessed. Mwah.